Welcome to the Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.2010shopi.co.za. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngobo lokobela.
Varmina.
Ndone warmi.
Nandin ndihone.
First of all, I would like to say congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for getting a draw against African champions. It's a privilege.
Double star.
Asimanglema.
Yeah, Asimanglema.
I draw only Sundowns. So for them, I say congratulations.
So now it's 3 points in 3 games, Betway Premierships. Remember last year it was 2 games, 2 points. Now this is the 3rd point. Don't forget.
Yes, but who won is an achievement.
Exactly.
We are disappointed as Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, but for Kaizer Chiefs supporters, they are celebrating. Their management is celebrating. Their players were celebrating. Everyone was celebrating. Not us. We are disappointed. And
we have lost two points.
We have lost 2 points. So for an African champion to draw against such a team, a horrible team like Kaizer Chiefs, I have nothing much to say. So I'm very disappointed to draw against Kaizer Chiefs because it's a very horrible team, weak team.
Yeah.
You are playing home. Tomango defender. Home. Like serious. Where are you going to win?
Yeah.
If you are playing like that at home.
Remember you have mentioned Ohore, you are the African champions.
Yes.
And when a team plays like that, that means they give you respect and you must appreciate that.
It's not about respect. We are playing to win.
Yeah.
Every team is playing to win. Ne? But Lemo on top of the log. How can you win the league playing like that? At home.
Yeah.
Let's be serious. That's the American game. Bad advertisement of South African football. For the so-called big team to play like that at home.
From your side as a big team, why didn't you take 3 points and go back home?
You can check if you check the Bafana Baga basali rusty. Rusty.
Yeah.
So and you can see we were going somewhere, especially after the introduction of Bennett Mugwena, Squishy, and Mailula. You can see the future is bright. Mamelodi Sundowns can win this league this season again.
Yeah.
And not this season alone. Next season and defend the Champions League. Rawinali Super Cup.
Yeah.
Rawinali FIFA Africa Asia Cup. So we are preparing our team for such games.
Yeah, perfect. And then when it comes to Chiefs, I can see that you are very disappointed. You are saying they are a horrible team and all that.
Yes.
Why can't you give them credit because of they've got a new coach who's still building, and it's only 4 games in with 7 points, and then he hasn't lost any game in the Betway Premiership.
Big teams don't build. More big teams, we don't build.
What do you do?
As a coach, a professional coach, what were the badges, coaching badges? You get in, you hit the ground running.
No, it's not easy. Maybe I'm sorry to interject. You need to build as a new coach. If maybe this was maybe his 2nd season. With Cardoso can build now. He's been there. You understand? With Uadu, he can't build now. But with Cruz, he has to build. This is his 4th game, and he has got 7 points in 3 games, and played against the African champions, as you said. I believe that as a new coach, he's supposed to build. He's still trying there and there. Which is Chilzat okay? Is Man okay? I understand that as Sundowns supporters, you are used to win, and you want every team to compete with you. But this is a draw. I believe we need to give credit where it's due. The coach, as much as we might not be happy, Chiefs is always building and all that. But I tend to believe the Cruz is still new at this team.
The Cruz came with Nabi.
Yeah, but he didn't.
And he ran away. How many new players now at Kaizer Chiefs?
There's a lot of new players at Chiefs.
How many new players?
And he didn't coach at Chiefs. Remember, he didn't even play a single game at Chiefs when he was here.
How many new players started the game today?
it's gonna be difficult for me to say. But then I saw Mulay Sano was there.
Pili was there.
Pili was there, and
Only 2.
well, yeah, I can say maybe out of my head, I can say it's 2. Yeah.
Yes, only 2. So we can't say it's building. Ne? The guy, the Cruz has been watching videos of Kaizer Chiefs play.
Yeah.
Last season. By now, he must have at least a clue of what he can do with the team.
Yeah.
So his plan was very obvious from the start. Or he just want to frustrate Sundowns, maybe to get a draw, of which he succeeded on that one. But on us, for Sundowns, a big team like Sundowns, we are disappointed. We don't play for draws, we play to win.
I think you are disappointed. Maybe Chiefs is happy, so let them celebrate because of they are happy.
Some of the supporters were saying, hey, Sundowns must be happy to get a draw against the game. We're not happy to get a draw against a horrible team like Kaizer Chiefs. We're disappointed.
Yeah.
As Mamelodi Sundowns, we're disappointed. Everyone at Sundowns is disappointed. The management, the players, the supporters, we are all disappointed.
Yeah. Hard luck. Let's hope next time you'll
But there are positivities from our youngsters that we can say no. The future's bright. We are going with our little players that can replace our regular players.
Thank you.
So one other thing, Mutaka said it all about the referees. Our referees are horrible, just like Kaizer Chiefs. And sometimes you might think now, and
You are very angry.
but
you are very horrible tonight. Let's close it. But thanks for the good points.
oh, thank you very much.
Sure. Thanks. Again.